Welcome everyone to the OpenMappingLab YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate the fundamental techniques for drawing basic features in JOSM. Part 1. Drawing points, nodes. First, we will cover how to draw a point, also known as a node in OpenStreetMap terminology. To create a point, simply double-click on its location on the map. In the Tags panel on the right, click the Add button. For this example, a stupa, we will add the following key value pairs. Man-made equals stupa. Religion equals Buddhist. And amenity equals place of worship. Let's create another point for a nearby monastery, adding the tag amenity equals monastery. This concludes the process for drawing basic points. Part 2. Drawing polygons, areas. Next, let's move on to drawing a polygon, which is used to represent an area. To begin, activate the Draw tool, which can be done with the keyboard shortcut, A. With the tool active, click along the boundary of the feature you wish to map. In this case, we will trace the perimeter of a residential area. To close the shape and finish the polygon, simply double-click on the last point. Now, we will tag the new area by clicking Add, and setting the key to land use and the value to residential. To return to selection mode, press the S key. Part 3. Drawing lines, ways. Finally, we will cover how to draw a line, or a way, which is used for features like roads and paths. First, I will demonstrate how to continue an existing line. Select the last node on the existing road, activate the Draw tool with the A key, and then continue clicking to extend the line. To finish, double-click the final point. Now, let's address a situation where a road's classification changes. To correct this, we can split the way. With the way now divided into two segments, we can select the new section and update its tag to highway equals unclassified. This same process of activating the Draw tool, clicking to create nodes, and double-clicking to finish is used to draw any new line feature from scratch. That concludes this basic tutorial on drawing points, areas, and lines in JOSM. In the next videos, I will continue sharing more tips for using JOSM effectively. Thank you all for watching.